Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best trailer aid is probably one of the most innovative and essential accessories for any trailer owner, especially those who frequently travel long distances or venture off the beaten path. This compact, yet incredibly robust, device is designed to be a lifesaver when you encounter a flat tire on your trailer, eliminating the need for cumbersome jacks or potentially dangerous roadside repairs. Its unique design allows you to effortlessly lift one side of your trailer's axle, providing just enough clearance to remove and replace a damaged tire with ease and confidence, ensuring you can get back on the road safely and quickly. Number 5. AMORNING 276 PCS First Aid Kit. Introducing the AMORNING 276 PCS First Aid Kit, your reliable companion for emergencies. This kit is designed to provide essential care for various situations. Its small and compact lovely bag makes it easy to carry anywhere. Perfect for your home, car, camping trips, or hiking adventures. Be prepared for the unexpected with this basic outdoor essential survival kit. It ensures you have the necessary supplies for any outdoor activity. This versatile kit is also a great addition for school or your travel needs. Keep it handy for peace of mind wherever you go. With 276 pieces, it covers a wide range of emergency needs. You can trust it to be there when you need it most. What we like. This kit is designed for everyday preparedness. If you need a basic, easy-to-carry first aid solution for minor emergencies at home, school, or during casual outings, this is a great choice. Its compact size makes it convenient for anyone looking for essential supplies without bulk. What people say. It is a very simple device to use, just drive your trailer tire onto the trailer aid. The trailer aid is designed to lift one side of your trailer tires, allowing you to access the other side for maintenance or repairs. This product is a great tool for anyone who needs to change a trailer tire or perform other maintenance on their trailer. Number 4. Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit, designed for ultimate security for your 2-inch trailers. Keep your investment safe and protected. We are an American-owned, family-operated business dedicated to providing you with the best customer support. Join the Rhino USA family today. Our heavy-duty powder-coated finish shields against rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. This ensures long-lasting protection for your trailer hitch. Gain confidence knowing your boat, toy hauler, or trailer is securely protected from theft. This durable, tamper-resistant lock is designed for maximum security. Your hitch lock comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. For ultimate security against theft, this hitch lock is your best bet. If you're looking for robust protection for your trailer, RV, or boat, especially when parked, this durable, tamper-resistant lock offers peace of mind. Its solid steel construction and lifetime replacement guarantee make it a reliable long-term investment. What people say. It is a very simple concept and works like a charm. This is a great product that does exactly what it is supposed to do. Trailer aid is a must-have for anyone who tows a trailer. Number 3. Camco Trailer Aid Plus RV Tire Ramp. Introducing the Camco Trailer Aid Plus, designed to give you ample lift for easy tire changes. Get the extra clearance you need for routine maintenance on your trailer or RV. Forget about unloading your cargo or horses. This innovative ramp allows you to change a flat tire without removing anything, saving you valuable time and effort. Constructed from strong, lightweight polymer, it's built to last. This accessory is waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring dependable performance for all your tire changing needs. It can support up to 15,000 pounds, providing stability during tire changes. Please note compatibility with your trailer's axle spacing is important for optimal use. Weighing only 8 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry and store. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you without adding significant weight or bulk. What we like. This ramp is a game-changer for tandem trailer maintenance. If you need to change a flat tire or perform other wheel-related tasks on your RV or trailer without the hassle of unloading cargo, this is the solution. Its significant lift and durable, waterproof construction make it ideal for frequent travelers and RV owners. What people say. It is a very good product that works as advertised. It is a very good product that works as advertised. Number 2. Poygik Premium 420-piece Large First Aid Kit. Introducing the Poygik Premium 420-piece Large First Aid Kit. It's your go-to for any unexpected medical situation. Whether at home, in the car, or out on an adventure, this kit is equipped to handle emergencies. It's perfect for travel, camping, hiking, and sports. With 420 pieces, it offers a wide range of medical supplies. You'll find everything you need for minor injuries and more serious incidents. Ensure you're prepared for any eventuality. This kit is essential for businesses, offices, and personal use. Don't leave your safety to chance. This comprehensive medical kit provides peace of mind wherever you go. What we like. When comprehensive medical coverage is paramount, this extensive kit delivers. If you're outfitting a vehicle, business, or preparing for extensive travel and camping, this large capacity kit ensures you have a wide range of supplies for various emergencies. It's perfect for those who prioritize having more than just the basics covered. What people say. It works great to lift the trailer tire just enough to change a flat. It is a great product that makes changing a trailer tire a breeze. This product is a must-have for anyone with a trailer. Number 1. Camco Trailer Aid Plus Tandem Trailer Ramp. Introducing the Trailer Aid Plus, your ultimate solution for changing a flat tire on your recreational trailer. It makes the process simple and safe, even when fully loaded. With a lifting capability of 5.5 inches, this ramp provides ample height for tire changes. It's also perfect for accessing brakes, wheels, and axles for routine maintenance. Constructed from a robust, heavy-duty polymer, this ramp is built to last. It's waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring reliable performance in any condition. Designed with your safety and convenience in mind, it features clean edges that won't snag or cause injury. Front holes and a rear slot offer easy handling. Despite its strength, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 7.2 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to transport and store, whether you're on the road or at home. This powerful ramp can support an impressive weight capacity of up to 15,000 pounds. You can trust it to handle even the heaviest loads safely. What we like. This is the go-to option for efficient and safe tandem trailer tire changes. If you own an RV or trailer and want a reliable tool that lifts high enough to easily change a flat without unloading, this ramp is ideal. Its heavy-duty yet lightweight design makes it a practical and durable choice for maintaining your vehicle on the road. What people say. It is a great product that works as advertised. This is a must-have for anyone who tows a trailer. It is very easy to use and set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.